My people, I greet you now. This one way now they look so now palm fruits of Thailand. This one na palm fruit where they take do oil and then they get palm kernel from it. But this one na Thailand own. We say make we show now. Say as we get our own palm oil, as we get our own palm front, as we get our own palm tree, now so then get them for Thailand. You see, say God bless us for Africa. Now the thing where our brother Oyezeka Uchenna, we come from Agwata, Anambra State, in Southeast Nigeria. Where they Thailand now, they tell us, we could see him, because himself na farmer for that country where be Thailand. You see, say, our God, we create Africa, especially Southeast people, the Igbo people. You know, see, say this palm fruit where they take do oil, even palm kernel and other things where plenty where they take and do. You know, different from the one where they Igbo land, the one where they Southeast Nigeria. God bless Africa. God bless Igbo land. God bless Igbo people very well. Now see where our brother Oyezeka Uchenna from Agwata in Anambra State, Southeast Nigeria, they try to tell us because him be ogbonge farmer for Thailand. I'm will say make we show now.
I wonder acquire a car or mkpụrụ akwụ obodo a mkpụrụ akwụ ndị Thailand akwa ya nwa wu ya ka isi akwụ n'onwe ya ka ị na-ahụ ya akwa akwụ ka ị na-ahụ ya mkpụrụ akwụ Thailand ya wu isi akwụ n'onwe ya ka ị na-ahụ ya sị ka nzikọkwa gị adịgo ka ọ ga-adị